Hi, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to share content from your business page to your personal profile. Now this is very important because a lot of content that AmpliSpot will post is automated and it reflects on your business page. Now when you share the same content on your personal page, there are two impacts that happen. One is your business page followers go up. Second, your personal page friends see this kind of content and know that you're professionally established with a very good business page on Facebook. Now, when we have spoken to a lot of advisors, we have realized that many of them don't know how to, reach their business page. And that's where I'm going to tell you first, how to use the system. So once you go to your Facebook mobile app, you'll need to click on the top three bars on the top right hand side. Once you click there, immediately below you'll see your pages. So you can see AmpliSpot here, right? I clicked on the AmpliSpot page. Also scroll down. If I have more pages, I can just click here, and I can see all the pages that I am associated with. But the easiest way is right when you enter your mobile app, right when you click on the top right hand side bar, three bars, the first page that you see is typically the page that you tend to use the most. Now once you click on that, you'll see all the recent posts that has been there on your page. Now this is all done from the mobile app. So once you click on that, once you go below, you'll see all the recent posts that has come on your page. So you can see the post, the status message, the post, the image that has gone out. There'll be also a boost post, etc. Don't Let's not look at that at this point. Let's see at all the posts that has gone out on your page. Now, to share this post on your business page, it's very easy. So all you have to do is go to the relevant post that you want to share. If this is the post, for example, you can go through it, read the status message, see the post, and click on the share button. So here you will see a lot of options. Now, these options are specific to different aspects. Now I clicked on more options. When I click on more options, and now I have clicked on the more options and I can see the Facebook news feed. So I click on the news feed and now this is my personal page. Now here I can write if there is any status message that I want to add to it. I can just, write it down and then click on the post button which is there on the top right hand side. So you can see a simple post written on the top right hand side. That's where you need to click once you have typed in whatever you want to type in. You can also select hashtags. um, you just click hashtag and then type whatever you want to type from an hashtag perspective, and you'll get a lot of options from Facebook for hashtags. So you can pick up those hashtags, like for example marketing. I get a lot of options for marketing and I can select whatever I want, and then I can click on the post button. So once you click on the post button, it's posted on your personal page. I'll show you how it looks like on your personal page. Just click on your personal page. This is your personal profile. You can scroll down and you can see this post was posted on your personal page. So AmpliSpot is my original business page, and from that I've shared it in Tom Joseph's personal page. Exactly the same thing you can do with all the posts that's coming on your business page through AmpliSpot automation.